Welcome to the channel. In this new video, the natural style based on contrast is a home tour in Laura's house. Below, we give a series of ideas to achieve cozy and comfortable environments following the vintage rustic style. The vintage rustic style is capable of transmitting cozy and warm sensations in the environment, where the furniture with natural finishes is treated to resist the passage of time. The walls, the backgrounds that he uses the most in this vintage rustic style home tour are the range of warm colors such as wood and white to create a greater contrast with the rustic furniture. You can also see a focal point with highlighting a brick or stone wall. In the living room, here we show personal taste, but there is also objective or harmony in colors, shapes and quantities. Everything you can see how the furniture works and contrasts with the art on the walls. kitchen. Here a space was chosen that transmits warmth, freshness, and neutrality. Dark and light tones are the most used color range for this style. Obviously, the brick wall stands out as the focal point, but the island table is a vintage element that decides the style. In the bedroom, to decorate, you have to decide the sub-style of the furniture to choose within the base style, which in this case is vintage. There are several interesting ideas that could help you to complete your environment, such as the wooden bed contrasting with the color of the blanket pillows. Finally, we can say that this home tour is a vintage rustic sample in a cottage house. I hope you liked the video and tell us if you like natural wood or painted wood.